try to review your business system. Baka kailangan meron ka nang idagdag, ialis, baka hindi na uso, or kailangan i-add mo yung rent. Okay, Gilibers, second day na natin ngayon ng seminar natin. 3 days po kasi yun eh. 3 days yun sa Golden Hands. Today, di-discuss natin yung business operations nila. Yes. It's a workshop. So, tulungan natin silang maggawa ng operations talaga nila. Kasi they are doing 2 things. First, they are producing products. Second, they are training people. So, dapat makita nila yung end results ng business operations. So, step by step, anong gagawin? Then, sino yung in charge? Sino yung responsible per step ng kanilang business operations? Yan, discuss natin. Okay? So, kung ikaw din may business, dapat nakalatag yung flow ng business mo. Tapos, sino yung responsible? Yan na pumapasok yung manager ka na. Di ba? Pag nag-start tayo yung technician. Ibig sabihin tayong gumagawa ng mga talagang, kung halimbawa, coffee shop yan, ikaw barista, di ba? So, ngayon, nag-move ka na sa management. That is creating systems. Okay, then, as an entrepreneur. Right, sige. Later, pag-usapan pa natin. Let's go.
Tapos, matuto kang ibenta. Matuto kang magkaroon ng negosyo. So, siya, for 36 days, iniisip niya yun.
Ayun, Gilibers. So, tapos na tayo ng session natin. Day 2 natin. Okay, so, hiniwalay natin ang business planning sa marketing planning. Okay, magkaiba po yun. Dapat nauna muna ang business planning and marketing. So, bukas ang marketing planning namin. Ngayon ang business planning. Paano nga ba natin yung ginawa? So, ito po ang business planning natin. Kasi may iba po silang department. So, merong planning for production, training, marketing and sales, recruitment, finances, funding, and maintenance or office manager. So, ang business planning po, pwede po magkaiba-iba yan, depende sa business. So, for example, sila ma'am, dahil social enterprise sila, meron sila ditong funding. And ako personal, nakita ko rin, sa lahat ng business, actually, dapat merong office manager para sa kaayusan ng business natin, ng office natin, dapat may nag-aasikaso din yan. Okay? Alright. So, kung business owner ka, dapat alam mo din, una-una, meron kang division of labor, then meron kang department head. Ito, nag-assign na kami, may mga department head na sila. And then, dapat clear din ang business system nito. I mean, yung procedure per department, nakalatag. Para makaiwas tayo sa mga mistakes. And, isa pa, periodically, nire-review natin. So, for example, ito, recruitment nila, meron silang recruitment procedures, pero ngayon, binabago na natin recruitment procedures nila. Okay? So, kaya kung business owner ka, try to review your business system. Baka kailangan meron ka nang idagdag, ialis, baka hindi na uso, or kailangan i-add mo yung rent. Okay? And of course, we can help you po sa Rockstar Seminar and Coaching. Mag-PM ka lang sa personal rep ko. Yung pong personal rep ni Doc for business planning, marketing, and leadership. Let's go!